Now let's move on to the next Rashi, which is the Kanni Rashi. It's going to be a very good transit in terms of closing the negativity. But if things have been going very positive, then it's going to be a challenging transit year ahead, because Jupiter is going to go into the 6th house and it will be seeing the 12th house. Usually when Jupiter goes into the 6-12 axis, like seeing the 12th house, it will be closing of many things. If suppose it's going to be a negative, already lot of negative things are happening, just Jupiter transit will close. But if it is positive, I would suggest do the ritual. Then only you will not get into any types of problems in this Jupiter transit, because things can flare up. Don't try to argue with people or give advice, because you have to remember one thing: you are neither part of the problem, so you cannot be part of the solution. Just because people are asking you, please don't go inside, because this transit will push you into unnecessary problems, unnecessary haggles from the people, and attracting the wrong people itself. So people are going to ask you, please sign for surety. Please don't sign. This is the time where you will get caught. It is always said, like, just being quiet is the best thing what you can do in this Jupiter transit. Do some rituals which will keep your mind focused and positive, because in this transit you will always feel that you are not doing enough, that things are not good for you and life is very bad for you. For that itself, for that mind to go itself, you may have to do the ritual. So do the Guru Puja or Guru Homam or Guru Abhishekam. Your mind will become very clear.